Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my Maserati Keyfob, and the Keyfob has dead batteries and I'm going to replace the dead batteries. This is very easy and very simple to change it. In order to change it, we need a new set of batteries. We need Phillips screwdriver, straight screwdriver and butter knife or any pry tool. And let's get started. First we're going to open the key. Once you open it, you will see a small screw in there. With the help of Phillips screwdriver, we're going to open it. This is the screw, so we take it out. So now with the help of butter knife, you put the butter knife right here and you pry it open. As you pry it open, you see there is a gap appears. Now we're going to use the straight screwdriver and we're going to push this one back. And then put the small screwdriver and lift this one out. And then we can pull this one out. As we pull it out, this is the battery. It comes out. And if we look at the battery, this is 2032 battery. And we're going to replace it with the new battery. So we're going to place the battery in. So we're going to insert the battery in, and when you insert it, you put it all the way on the back. The reason being, when you press it down like this, then you slide this one, and this side of the battery has to slide underneath the body of the key. So we're going to slide it. See, as soon as we slide it, it goes underneath. The screw hole is aligned. And now we're going to place the screw and we're going to tighten it. Once it's nicely tightened, and that's it. Now we have a new battery in. That's all, simple and easy to change the dead batteries on your Maserati Keyfob. If this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.